Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am Pastor Stella Kemi Irile, representing Lilong International in Enugu. Lilong International is a company from China trying to project what we call energy medicine. This is energy medicine, a medicine that treats without side effects. When we talk about energy, this is power drawn from the sun, electricity, and all that that we get from the sun. Then we also have a layman's knowledge about you coming out early in the morning for vitamin D, which is very beneficial for the body. Then also there's another layman's knowledge of a little baby that has jaundice. Even the orthodox and doctors and nurses will cancel the mother. They won't even give the mother drugs. They'll just cancel the mother. Bring out your baby to and expose the baby to early morning sun. And before 1 week, that baby will be okay. The eyes will clear, the skin will be smooth, and the baby will just be okay. So Linlong International has been able to discover with their biotechnology and science that there are over 200 benefits of beneficial things in the sun, which is good for human health. So they've been able to capture with this their science those beneficial parts, because not everything in the sun, not all rays in the sun is beneficial for the body, especially the ultraviolet rays, but the infrared outer spectrum, they've been able to capture it in what we call energy machines. And they also have nice supplements of very effective Chinese herbs that treat. So in Lilong International, we treat ailments, not just ordinary treatment, but cure ailments. Yes, they cure ailments. And without no side effects at all, which is just, we make you to have wellness of the body. So there is a lot in Lilong International. You want to treat, come to Lilong. You want to keep good body shape or figure eight, come to Lilong. And you want massage, which is not just ordinary massaging, but massaging with healing. Can you hear me say massaging with healing? Yes, that can treat all kinds of ailments. Come to Lilong. Live long, live young. So when una come to Lilong, there's going to be free treatment, especially for first timers using our energy machine and energy bucket. A slip will be given to you for free treatment worth 35,000 naira. 35,000 naira in this Nigeria. What are you waiting for? We are waiting for you. Live long, live young.
So this is one of our energy machines. This is the energy room, the far infrared spectrum energy room. And what does this energy room do? It helps with to improve blood circulation by getting rid of all the blockages in your blood vessels. And it's these blockages in the blood vessels that cause joint pains and all the pains we experience basically in our body. And now this energy room is made up of core components that helps to achieve this aim. We have the cedar wood. It's made up of the cedar wood, which is very beneficial to the human body. Also, come along with me. It's also made up of the heating panels. This black things you are seeing is the heating panels. And what do these heating panels do? Is the panels that emit the far infrared rays, which is going to heat on our body once you are inside, and is going to help to open up our blood vessels and allow for improved blood circulation, which gives us an overall better health. Also, we have the tourmaline gemstones. Now, the tourmaline gemstones help in emitting trace elements such as calcium, magnesium, which is very beneficial to our body. So, overall, all in all, if you are looking for improved, better blood circulation, if you are looking to feel younger again, because once you enter, you're going to sweat out all those toxins, all those debt, leaving you looking younger and better. And if you're looking younger and better, I mean you're going to live longer. So come to Lilong. Yeah. Yeah, and this is another energy matching of ours, and this is the energy bucket. Now, the energy bucket is similar to the energy room, but this focuses more on the leg area, and it's good for people with arthritis, with leg pains. If you're having knee issues, it's very good because it works on the leg by emitting those far infrared rays to the legs, and it helps to, remove all the toxins, all the blockages, and better blood circulation in your legs, and leaving you feeling better and healthier and free of pain. Is another of our machines, and this is an exhibition module machine, and one of the main components is the Chinese mugwort, in which we burn in the mugwort column. Now it works as an aromatherapy. As the machine is on, the patient inhales this mugwort, and it helps to treat people with insomnia. It also helps to normalize the blood pressure and normalize our blood sugar too. And we've had a lot of testimonies since we started of people who complain that they've not slept in days, in weeks, and just few minutes in the machine, they've already started sleeping. And most times we even have to like wake them up to let them know that the session is over. And if you're having a very good night's rest, your brain will be able to articulate better, you'll be able to function better, and it gives you an improved well-being. So come to Lilong and sleep better. Leave
In Lilong, we have various supplements. We have the noni berry enzyme. The noni berry enzyme is a rejuvenating health drink that improves joint health, combats diabetes, prevents prostate hyperplasia, helps eye nutrition, increases physical endurance, and so on. This noni berry enzyme helps fight diabetes. For patients who have diabetes, they can take our noni berry enzyme to fight it. It also helps normalize blood pressure. For those patients who have high blood pressure, they can take our non-berry enzymes to normalize it, and it also boosts our immunity, helping us to fight against various diseases. This non-berry enzyme is best taken first thing in the morning, 1 hour before breakfast. Now we have the black soybean powder. The black soybean powder is a type of bean that contains antioxidants and phytonutrients that are linked to various health benefits. And also, this black soybean powder can also be used as proteins for vegetarians, yes, in their various meals. Now we have the benefits. Benefits of black soybean. It reveals constipation, it relieves constipation and normalizes bowel movement. For patients who have constipation, once they take our black soybean, it helps them to defecate well. Yes, it nourishes and repairs the body. As we keep on going, getting older, we begin to have worn out cells, and this black soybean powder helps replenish it, yes, and repair those worn out tissue. Now we have it reduces cholesterol level. For people who are obese, overweight, this black soybean powder, it makes people to have healthy weights that is good for them. Then it helps control the blood sugar level, it helps to normalize blood sugar level. Then it prevents bowel, breast, and prostate cancer, and a lot more. This helps fight against all these various ailments. Hmm. Wow, what is this light that I see? Okay. You might ask, what is going on? This is our hydrogen rich flask. It emits hydrogen into the water that is here. Water is made up of hydrogen and oxygen. Through our researches, we've realized that the water that is being sold to various people, the, the percentage of hydrogen is low. But this hydrogen rich flask helps emit hydrogen into the water. The hydrogen inside that is being emitted into this water is equivalent to 200 banana, 150 apples, 30 carrots, spinach, and pumpkin. Yes. So this hydrogen rich flask has various benefits. It protects, its water is good for anti-aging, improves skin quality, reduces inflammation.
Basically, what this summarizes, what it's saying here is that it protects our skin. It gives us healthy skin to stop all these pimples and various inflammations that happens on the skin. Then also it helps gives us good liver. Yes. And our blood sugar, it also helps in normalizing our blood sugar level. Lilong, live long, live young.
So over here we have some Lilong products. Here is the noni berry enzyme, the black soybean powder, and this is Kingman. Just like the name implies, it brings out the king in you. Here we have our beauty product. This is called the BB cream. Now this BB cream helps to smoothen the face, fights against pimples, acne, and the rest of it, and it also improves anti-aging. Here we have our Chinese mugwort plaster, which we use, while massaging. Here is the mosquito repellent. Now, this mosquito repellent is not just like any other mosquito repellent that might be chemicalized, but this mosquito repellent, it was produced from leaves and healthy beneficial herbs. Now this mosquito repellent, it doesn't just fight against mosquito, but when you burn it and you inhale it, it helps to calm the brain, it helps to calm one's nerve, and it also improves the sleep. Now we have our very own Lilong toothpaste, which fights against germs and bacteria. It replenishes the cells in the tooth and it also strengthens our tooth. And here is our Lilong toothbrush, which is soft and suitable for brushing. Now we have various plasters over here. Here, the first plaster, this is the back relief pain plaster. Now this plaster is for those that have back pains. Now how does this work? You basically just have to, place the plaster on the affected area and it literally sucks out the pain. Here we have our joint pain relief plaster, and here we have the uterus plaster. Now this uterus plaster is for those with fertility issues, those that are looking for the fruit of the womb. And here we have the prostate plaster. Now this prostate plaster is for those that have prostate issues, and it also helps, to prevent one from having those prostate issues. Now this prostate plaster, it also increases the sperm count and it helps and energizes the man in reproduction process. In Africa, we seem to believe in medicine after death, but prevention is better than cure. Lilong, live long, live young.
As you have heard, Lilong International is a place to be. Is it the machines? Is it the supplements? As it has been explained to you. So come to Lilong International. Wetin una dey wait for now? We dey Enugu, number 25 Tauba Street, 34 Bishop Ayogo Road, and we are in the first floor. We'll be waiting for you. Then make sure when you are coming, come with two big towels. But if you don't want to bother yourself, you can get from our office. Yes. And because you need those towels, because when you are in the machine, you are going to sweat out bad cholesterol, bad fat. So you want to keep shape. Wetin you dey wait for? You go get figure eight what shape. Come to Lilong, and you're having body pains and all that, come for the massage, which is not just ordinary massage. All other ailments will be treated. You'll be able to sleep well, treat insomnia, sleep well, calm brain, improve brain memory, normalize your sugar, work on your high blood pressure. There is a lot in Lilong. We'll be waiting for you. Live long, live young. For enquiry, call these numbers: 080 3562 0968. I call it again: 080 3562 0968 or 080 5147 0899. I come again: 080 51470899. Live long, live you.